Alright, for this quick DIY, I'm going to be using Lunapic Editor. This is an old editor by just choose a file by clicking File and then Upload. And then now I'm going to use a cutout tool, the crop tool, to cut it out and you're going to trace around it the image you want to save. And then once you trace around it, then you click Apply the effects. So you get those effects applied. You're going to copy that to clipboard. Now you're going to create a new blank white image. You want the image to be white, or you want it to be black to get the image to be transparent. So now you're going to paste that from the clipboard onto that new image. You can apply. This is where you can fix up those edges a little bit, and color in areas like I'm going to do now, with just a little bit there, that little bit of white that I added. This is where you do touch-ups for paint and all that. Now, from here, you just click the option on the side there. You'll see transparent images on the one side there. And then once it's selected, you have to click on the background of the white image. There. From there, you click either apply a threshold from what the default settings are, or you could change them. See there now. Now you got transparent image. Save it to your computer. Add it to your editor, and just place it in there. You can have it scroll, do whatever your editor does from different scenes. And you could do transparent images like this, double layered, like some of my intros are. This is just a quick guide, nothing special with my transparent image. Usually it takes a little while to do, but once you get a hang of it, you create some nice transparent images.